Gabby, the bread enthusiast. I'm filming, babe, but there's this. Sorry, I won't excite her. Gabby, what's your favorite food? Nyam 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 nyam. Nyam 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 nyam. What happened, baby? What happened? Look at your hands. Look at your hands. And also Gabby likes it when Daddy takes the hand like this and it splashes a little water. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, I love you.